There are two common issues that I have faced and seen people face when it comes to data entry in Excel. One is time consuming. You need to enter the data in one cell, then go to the next cell and enter it. Sometimes you need to scroll up and see which column it is and what data need to be entered, or scroll to the right and then come back to the beginning in case there are many columns. Two, it's error prone. If you have vast data set that need 40 entries, there is a possibility you may end up entering something that was not intended for that cell. A data entry form can help by making that process faster and less error prone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a data form entry in Excel. If you have a large data set, many rows and columns, and completing a data form may look like a one row at a time project. You could also enter new data through data form. To create a data form, you have to have an existing list, like this worksheet. You must also have the button to complete the data entry form. So go to File Type, click Options, and from this Quick Access toolbar, choose Commands from Commands, not in the ribbon. Slide down and find the Form button. Highlight it and add it to the Quick Access toolbar. Keep in mind that before clicking the Form button, you must click a cell inside the list. Now, press the button and a new window appears displaying the first row. You can navigate through the list with these rows. You can also add a new row. Click the new button and fill in the values. So, if you have a great crowd of rows and you want to focus on each data individually, data entry form is ideal for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.